Hi guys, today I'll show you how to recover data from iPad without iTunes using a Power Rescue. First off, get the app by visiting its official page. Next, download and install the app on your computer. Launch a Power Rescue, then connect your iPad through a lightning cable. On the main interface, put a check mark on the files you want to recover from your iPad or tick Select All to completely retrieve your files. Once done, click the Start Scan button and wait for the tool to analyze your iPad. From here, you will see all recoverable files available. Now take the file you want to recover, tap Recover to Computer, and choose a file location to save them. Once done, tap the Open Folder button to check your files. You can also extract your iCloud backup to recover data from iPad. Remember not to connect your iPad to PC with this method. You just need to enter your Apple ID and password. And that's how to recover data from iPad without iTunes. Thanks for watching!